All right, so one of the things that we do with our packing is we make sure that we have a separate bag that is just dedicated to our pirate attire and our fish extender stuff. So here we have, this is all of our pirate outfits, our fish extender stuff, which we put into separate bags for different rooms. We have all of our scarves and all of our accessories and bandanas that we're all going to put in this bag. Now, one thing to make sure that you remember, this is from our last cruise, is to take your tag off from the last cruise and your one that they give you. So we were goofy last time. You have to take those off, because if you don't, then the porters are gonna say this bag does not belong on this trip, and they say bye-bye. So if you want to keep your stuff, Yeah. Okay. All right, so something else that we have packing is our tech stuff. I pretty much cover all of that, so the girls don't have to worry about it. So that's like my passion and thing that I love to do. So here we go. All right, so this is everything that will be packed. All right, so here's my earbuds that I have for when I'm editing footage while we're on the cruise. Here's our all the different cables that we have so I can charge everything. And right here we have our external batteries, little fuel rods. The fuel rod's great for, especially if you go to the parks, you can exchange them in at a kiosk for free. All right, and right here we have the GoPro. Everything's in there. I've got the gimbal for my cell phone. And then you have the SD cards in a case so we can keep a hold of them. And then we've got this mini, kind of like a GoPro waterproof camera. Got this for the car, so then that way we can charge stuff if we need to while we're driving. And this is the butt for your chargers. And then we have this one right here. This one's really cool because you have your USB-C and normal USB. So that way you can have like a power strip on the cruise without having a power strip. And then this is our microphones for while we're recording. Next we have the magic bands, so we're going to use the magic bands on this trip. This will be our first time trying them. So I've got Oswald, and River has Asha from Wish, and Crystal has the 100th anniversary one. And then we've got the cords, and we're going to put them all in this little baggie together so then everything stays together. Then put everything in this bag right here, and then that bag is going to be put in that bigger bag as the carry-on for the first day.
We got our box from our travel agency, which is called Dreams Unlimited, right?
Travels.
I always say it incorrectly. And they send you a package right before you cruise, and inside this package has some like necessities for the cruise and some little fun spins off. So this is our third one with the company. So we're going to open it and we're going to unpackage it for you. Okay, so when you open up your Dreams Unlimited travel package, they have a little letter. So I'm going to read the letter so you know what's in it. It says, Bon Voyage, Reedy family. Please accept this gift basket as our way of saying thank you for choosing Dreams Unlimited Travel. We hope it makes your cruise a little more magical and that you have a fantastic Disney Cruise Line vacation. So about the items in your gift basket. We call it our What You Didn't Know You Needed on a Cruise Kit. We hope these items will help you have an even more magical cruise vacation. A highlighter, a great item to have for your daily navigator, a dry erase board for the back of your stateroom door so you can leave notes, glow sticks, the perfect accessory for the pirate night deck party, a travel watch. Simply attach the watch to your favorite beach bag or belt loop. This will help you keep track of your time at your port of call. A deck of cards. While you don't think you'll ever need these on board of a Disney cruise, sometimes it's nice to slow down. Reusable cups. You will find unlimited soft drinks, milk, juice, and hot beverages at the drink sections. Unfortunately, you also find very small plastic cups. Take these reusable cups with you and you will have to make your trips less trips for refills. A room key sleeve, attach this to the back of your cell phone. A magnetic clip, we think you'll find many uses for these. And a flashlight. Your stateroom can get pretty dark at night. This will help you find your way. The best way to book a future Disney Cruise Line vacation is while you're on your current cruise. Disney Cruise Line offers incentives for you to rebook a future cruise while on your current sailing. Please see the booking desk for more information.
I don't know what this is. This is new. Really new.
So this is a card that shows you what deck has what on the Dream ship. This is a brand new thing that they have placed in these bags. This is not something we've got in the past. So this is just a card that shows you what is on what deck, so it's like an easy find.
That's cool.
Where's the other one?
Right here.
That's it.
That's it. I think they only give
So you
us
have a
2.
coffee cup
Coffee cup.
and then a water bottle.
And a water bottle.
It's my favorite.
So River normally takes the water bottle, and then we'll take these coffee cups. We have a couple of these at the house.
So there's the whiteboard.
It's great for whenever you're, if like, let's say me and River are going to the pool, and then Crystal is going to the spa. Well, we can say, "Gone to the pool," and then that way Crystal knows where we're at.
Gone to the pool.
And it's magnetic, so it can stick right there on the door. So then that way you can post it so that the rest of your family knows where you're at. We've also seen other people do things like that where they put like surveys, like where are you from, or who's your favorite Disney character. So it can be really fun interacting with other people that way as well.
And then there are these Dreams Unlimited clippies.
Magnetic
Whatever.
clips.
They give you 2 magnetic clips.
Yep. So
We use them for our towels. We use them to hang stuff in the stateroom. We use them to hang our towels to dry in the stateroom.
and then also on deck when you're at the pool, it's great because then you can just clip it onto your chair so that your towel doesn't fly away.
It's one of my favorites.
Highlighter.
It's a highlighter, so you have green, yellow.
So they used to on the Disney cruise ship give you paper navigators. You can still get paper navigators if you ask a customer service. And so this is a great tool to highlight all those things, or just let your kid draw with it.
Right. Glow sticks.
For pirate nights,
sticks.
they're also really great any night of the cruise ship. Add some fun.
Always fun.
Dreams
Deck of-
Unlimited cards.
I always play with a deck of cards because at some point I'm going to be sitting solo, and so I end up playing, some kind of card game with the deck of cards.
It's a Dreams Unlimited flashlight.
Mine is dead right now, but that.
Blinding.
The keychain. This is actually
Keychain.
really new.
No, yeah, we didn't have one on our last one, but we had one on the one
Our
previously
first
that
one had.
me and Crystal went on.
Take this.
So it's nice having a nice little watch, so then that way you can keep track of time.
There's also a compass, so they can know where you're going.
Go north.
What is this?
That's a key to the world card holder for the back of your cell phone if you want to put it on there. It's also
yeah.
great for other uses.
If you need put business cards in there for after the cruise.
And then the last item.
Wipes.
Wipes.
Well, this is
Always handy.
Wipes are always a great thing to keep on
Very
hand
handy.
because you never know when you're going to need one, and when you think, oh, I'm not going to need one, that's when you need one.
And then your last thing you get is a bag. That is what it came in. So it is really nice and handy just to kind of throw all these items in your bag and then take it with you on your cruise.
All right, well, thanks for coming with Reedy's. Hope you guys enjoy. Can't wait to see you guys on the cruise. Thanks for coming along with Reedy's. Don't forget to like and subscribe.